Gosh.
What's up?
What did you buy? Got it? OMG.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm sure you saw from the video him bringing in all this stuff. I sent the husband out to buy Halloween decorations because it's his favorite holiday and I don't like shopping. So he hit Dollar Tree and Kohls. We had some Kohls cash. I don't think he found too much at Kohls, but he said he spent $100 at Dollar Tree. I don't know if he's telling the truth, but that's a lot of money to spend at Dollar Tree. So I have not looked really at anything. I mean, there's some stuff that's, oh yeah, here's the receipt. $95. What? Okay, we need to see what he bought. So there are some things that obviously I can see because they're just kind of out, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 bags down here that I haven't even opened. So let's see what he bought. So these two, I think these two items back here are what's from Kohls. Let's get these out of the way first. So this is really cute. This is a wooden, it's Home Sweet Home. It's got a little skeleton. That's really cute. This one was originally $30 and I'm thinking it was probably like 60% off. They were having a sale, but that's really cute. I like that. And then this little pumpkin, and then it, oh, how cute is that? That is adorable. Oh my goodness. I love that. Okay, he's doing good so far. So far, so good. All right, next thing I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm wondering if he just like took the entire box off of the shelf or whatnot. But so it looks like there are little owls in here and they all light up. Oh, how stinking cute are those? So he got 1, 2, 3, 4 owls. Oh my gosh, and these are super glittery. Here's the little pumpkin. Oh, it's got a little red light in it. How cute. Oh, it changes colors. That is cute. Okay, and then here's a skull. Oh my goodness, how cute are those? And they change colors. That is so cool. And then last one is, oh, this is a purple skull. And it lights up too. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So there's like pretty much just all different, oh my gosh, so glittery. There's like all different colored skulls. So, okay. Why? Why did he buy so many of these? Okay, so these are little, oh, you put these outside, I think? It says there's stakes. Oh yeah, okay, so there's little stakes. They say beware. And they're just, honestly, they feel like foam, styrofoam. Oh, styrofoam. So yeah, I bet these are for outside. So there's this one that says beware. And then he got this one that says trick or treat. You see it? And this one says rip. It's got a spider on it. This one says Count Dracula. Oh, that's cute too. And then this one says creepy, and it also has a spider and a spider web on it. And then beware, another trick or treat. And then these are kind of like plasticky, and these say beware, go back. So I'm assuming he's probably gonna put these out in the grass, like in the front. Danger, keep out. All right, so those are cool. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. OMG, it looks to be like a bag full of garland. Okay, so, yep, it's just garland with little ghosts. There's like 3, 4. Oh my gosh, where's he gonna hang all this stuff? I already told him, I said he's doing all this. And then this one's just purple and black, super cute. And this one has ghosts, oh my goodness. Okay, these are all super duper cute. Did I mention this is his favorite holiday? He loves Halloween. Okay, the next bag. Ooh, what is this? That is creepy. It's like a picture. I don't know if you guys can see it, that it like changes. It's like a normal family and then kind of like a creepy family. That's cool. I wonder if you hang it like on a window or something, like if you need light behind it. But that's really cool. Okay, so these are just little like black lights or hardy bulbs. So they're not actual black lights, they're just like purpley light bulbs. Cool. This is, ooh, wall decoration, and it's like a cemetery. That is so funny. I don't know where he plans on putting any of this, but. And then this is a wall border. That is really cool. It's got skulls on it. And then he's got some magnets here. Oh cool, it's a witch. Ooh, the kids will love this. We don't have like our fridge is stainless steel, so it doesn't stick to that, but our trash can they could probably do it on. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. They can like build a little witch. That's really cute. And then here's a little sign that says home of a handsome devil, a wicked witch, and their little monsters. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And very accurate. That is so adorable. I love that. I've never seen half of this stuff there. Maybe I've never really looked at the Halloween stuff, but he has done good so far. Oh boy. So these are little ghosts. What is in there? Oh my gosh, that is so funny. It's just like styrofoam in there. So yeah, there's these little ghosts with like little sheet you can just hang on. And there are, let's see, how many are there? 2, 3, 3 of them in here. And then what are these? Mesh tube. I wonder if that's like to make, it shows like a picture of a wreath. Oh, make your own Halloween wreath. That will be fun. I've never worked with this stuff before. That will be fun. So there's purple and black. Creepy cloth. So there's black and white, and it's just like this cloth that you can just kind of drape and do creepy stuff with. I don't know. Okay, well he's got ideas, so I can't wait to see what he does. All right, next, oh my gosh, got three more bags. So this one is, oh, awesome. I hope he doesn't expect me to wear these. These are LED light string. Oh, cool. So it looks to be just like little string lights, and you can put them in stuff that you want to light up. And then he got these string lights, they're eyeballs. Those are cute. And he got 3 of those. And then the last thing in here is the little 20 lights, the little purple ones. We've actually bought these before. My daughter has some up in her Barbie house. So I know that these are really nice and I like these. They're short, but whatever, from Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, these teeth. So these are like little felt material, I think. So, oh, there we go, okay. So there's a little witch and you can kind of like move her around and kind of put her how you want. That is really cute. I don't know if like on the viewfinder it looks like her face is like glowing because of the lights. And then a bunch of little skeletons. Oh my goodness, these are super cute. They're so cute. And then these are, oh my gosh, googly eyes. Oh, I think they glow. They glow in the dark. They're just like big eyes that you can put. Not really sure where we're gonna put them, but that is really kind of cute. And then in this bag we've got, oh, these are cute. They say boo, and he got 3 different colors. So there's these 2. These are adorable. And then this one in the purple. These are super cute. And then this looks to be a 3-foot glow-in-the-dark skeleton. So you got 2 of these. Those are fun. Oh boy. Mass. What are those? Ooh, ring pops. These are probably for the girls, huh? This is it. Okay, in here is a bunch of the spider webbing. Oh, and there's actual spiders in there. I remember using this stuff when I was a kid. So yeah, I don't know where we're gonna put this, but because we don't have bushes here. Like when I lived in Illinois, we would put them on our bushes, but we don't have bushes out here. So I don't know. We'll find somewhere for these. And then this is a skull steak. Oh yeah, this glows in the dark too, so we'll probably put that in the front yard. Ew, spiders! Just some little spider decorations. And then the last couple things, oh, some vampire teeth, because I mean, who doesn't need vampire teeth? And then the last but not least is fright tape, do not cross, or crime scene or whatever. So probably put that outside somewhere. I'm thinking most of this stuff is gonna go outside, like some of the glittery stuff we'll probably put in here. Plus we have a bunch of Halloween stuff from previous years. So, all right, you guys, that does it for this Halloween Dollar Tree haul and a couple items from Kohl's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did, because I had no idea what was in these bags, so it was a surprise for me too. So if you guys are new, I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and stick around, because we are going to be doing a video of us putting all this stuff up. So if you want to see how we decorate and where we put everything, then make sure you're subscribed, and that video should be out shortly. See you guys next time. Bye.